Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Freddy Wage Finance is uploading every weekend a new IPO detail. In Asia and spices are well connected to each other. India is the largest market of spices. Hence, this week we are introducing Jetmol Spices Masala Limited IPO 2021. Dear investors, many times we are unable to do lots of research about the companies. Henceforth, please study from your end first of all before investing into the market. Dear investor, whatever we get information from Jetmol Spices and Masala Limited company detail apart from the search engine that we are going to represent in this video. Jetmol Spices Limited was established in 1947 and has 72 years of experience in the field of spices and masalas. The company was originally incorporated in 6th 9/2012, the state of Tamil Nadu, Chennai, named as Jetmol Spices Private Limited, subsequently changed into the Jetmol Spices and Masala Limited. 29th 1st 2020, registered office company situated into 87A Govindpada 9 Ken Street, Chennai 600001. Adding life product we produce. Basically, we add taste to life in dispensable part of a food value chain. We touch lives. We are part of every home and ingredient to all celebrations of life. This is what brings us to closer to our consumer inimitably way. The company has a wide range of spices and dry fruit products including jeera, methi, sauf, mustard and many others. The company also importer of many products like cassia, star, anise seeds, cloves, poppy seeds. You can find the Jetmol more information on jetmollimited.com under the contact us. Below client detail and information of their products, we have find out from the Jetmol Spices Limited BSE listed details. Under that they have given that where their revenue comes from, basically how they find the turnovers from their particular from the suppliers only. So their first client is Achi Special Food Private Limited, where they got 49.80% turnover. Benny Product Private Limited is 0.85%. Balaji Traders gives them a 0.95%. Asurvai Foods gives 0.50%, where Anuragam Agency gives 4%. Their product list is jeera, sauf, kasuri methi, white til, poppy seeds, Oman, black cardamom, black jeera, black til, methi, green cardamom, black pepper, citric acid, brinjal leaves, dry mango, sago, RB soda, Ajinomoto, star anise seeds, cloves, white pepper, black pepper, nutmeg, mace, dry ginger, cassia, green cardamom, kishmish, badam, yellow mustard, pencil, that is pattai, and many more. So you can log on there, you just contact them. Jetmol Spices Masala Limited IPO detail. IPO opening date will be 31st March 2021, where IPO closing date is April 7, 2021. Issue type is fixed price issue IPO. This is FPO. Face value is 10 rupees per equity share and IPO price is 20 rupees per equity share. Market lot size is 6,000 shares. Minimum order quantity is 6,000 shares. Listing at BSE and SMEs. Basis of allotted date is on 12th of April 2021. Initiation of refund will happen on 12th April 2021. Credit of shares to your demat account will be happen on 15th April 2021. IPO listing date is 19th April 2021. Jetmall Spices Masala Limited promoter is Mr. Bharat Kumar Pukhrajji. Application lot sizes minimum and maximum you can apply one lot, that is 6,000 share, where amount of those 6,000 share is 1,20,000. Minimum and maximum will be the same. For further information, please log on listing BSE India and download their brochure where you can view about their company and everything, including product catalog, client detail. Market risk on own decisions. We are unable to find more detail about this company or their products because of they are not having that much presence, or there is no, we can say, we can't find anything. Might be they do business mouth to mouth publicity, but according to us on internet presence they are very less. Henceforth they need some advertising, I think so, to get more business or to know the people know their brand. Yes, they are supplying lot of spices to various companies. Those are well-known companies in South India and across India too, but they have to rework out on their marketing strategy. This is, we can say, Jetmall Spices and Masala Limited should improve their marketing strategy. Dear investors, Vriddhi Veg Finance always tell to their investors, please study from your end before investing into the IPO or any market or equity shares. Henceforth, you just do not depend on us, but you should study from your end and then you just go. See, many times company has tell that they are existing into the market since so long back, etc., etc. But you should study before you go towards any company or any given suggestions. You have to analyze it, what you are doing and how you are putting your valuable money. Yes, we have seen many IPOs in the last few weeks has literally makes upset to the investors, while there is no listing gain. You have to hold for long term whether that share will perform or not. Henceforth we are telling you, please keep a watch on everything including the news of the company, but you should also think about your own. You should analyze it, what is the actual company is really valuable, whether you will gain the business, whether you will not gain the business, whether you will gain the profit. Why we are investing into the market? Because we want a profit. If we invest into the market and we don't get nothing to be in return, we all time finding ourselves in the debit. What is meaning of that? Is that anybody going to mix your brand? No. The investor should always look for a profit rather than just investing blindly. Henceforth, please study from your end too. We are just guiding where you will get more details about the company and market risk on own decisions. That is our tagline. You should practice it, you should follow that, and you should study before investing into the market.